Okay. Again, that is still my call. But kasi ang nangyari recently, nagkaroon ng increase sa salary. So, ang accounting department had to adjust. Kaya nagkaroon ng konting backlog because of that. Pero backlog in the sense na okay naman kasi may increase. And naawa naman ako sa ating mga accounting department kasi they do like 1,500 salaries of everyone. So, and it's not all on them. The delay is not all their fault. But kung minsan kasi may mga kasama tayo sa PG na lalate sa pagbigay ng daily time record. So, nagkaka-delay. So, I think right now, ang target namin is 3 days. So, right now yata nakakaabot ng 7. So, hopefully soon, 3 na lang. So, yun. Kasi nga, there are certain procedures na hindi daw pwede na-act on kasi may mga submission of the DTRs, ganyan. So, hopefully, with the help maybe with the ICT, na they can help us to not lahat, hindi na manual lahat, kung hindi high-tech na natin. So, sana by then, bumilis-bilis na lang po. Na-promote. Kaya, na-bakante yung mga sa ilalim. So, we are actively going for recruitment. Our PESO office was tasked to be able to do the recruitment para ma-fill up naman yung mga positions na wala. Ngayon, yun na nga, ano kasi noon, every time we would say anything about being employed sa PG, lahat nagsasabi ang baba kasi ng sweldo. So ngayon, ang starting is already a little bit higher na. I mean, but at the end, the movement is also dependent, performance-based nga naman, di ba? So, whatever the movements are, they at least man-promote din. Kasi like, there were times na some people have been in with pitching, mga 30, 35 years, so, yan, sana maano naman din sila.